clear, baby! Getting excited! Oh, well. Give her a quick tactic. Yeah, I was like 50-50 that the original tack I had in my pocket was pretty good. And then I'm like, you know what? These tack rags cost like $1.50 or $2 each. I'm like, all it has to do is stop a couple of nibs and it's paid for itself, you know. So yeah, that base coat actually feels nice and smooth, but I have a good feeling about this. I reckon this is going to come up really clean. Sometimes you just wipe the base coat down and it feels gritty. Sometimes that's true through like the gloss metallics in it. But standard clear, baby! Love that. So, for a while there, I was telling people, oh yeah, you can tack and whack this. But you're actually not meant to. Well, you can, but by the book, you're not really meant to. So, it's a true full coat system. But I've still found, like, I don't even use much more clear, even using it as a two coat system. So what I'll do, I've named this, mate, I started this, it's called the round robin. So you'll start somewhere, work your way down, and you go straight back to the start again with, you know, minimal flat times. I've found this clear tack off quite quickly, like you don't need to sit there for 5 minutes in between coats. As I say, you can tack and whack it, but you're not meant to. And that's looking nice and clean. I just got that feeling as I was tacking, I'm like, yeah, this is gonna look good. And I was right. Like bumpers and the like, I will tack and whack with this clear, no worries. You know, a 10-15-year-old daily driver that has faded paint on it, yep, I'll tack and whack it. But this guy here, I'm just like, yeah, I'll do the round robin. That's what I call it anyway. Round robin. You heard it first here. So I'll tack and whack this part here. There's one coat followed by another quick coat. Door handles, all those kind of things as well you need. Glassy baby! Love that stand on clear. Then I'm going to just put one coat of clear on the inside of this door. That's all it's going to need. Not going to see too much sun. They do those kind of things from factory. Half the time from factory they're not even covered. Well, Mercedes aren't too bad for that, so. But yeah, lots of the Japanese cars and all that, Australian built, American built. Because, you know, they say 30 or 50 mils on one car, you times that by the amount of cars they paint, they actually saving a fair bit of money. At the expense of your paintwork though, especially Mazdas, man, they're terrible. They really don't put enough paint on them. And as a spray painter, I would never buy a new Mazda for that simple reason. The only way I would buy one is if I was like trying to float coat it straight away. As soon as I got it, you just sand it down and you float coat it. But who wants to go and do that to a brand new car? Pull all your parts straight out? Nah, no thanks. Yeah, the Pro Lights, the old faithful, mate. I'll leave him sometimes. Or her. Yeah, I guess the vigilante for he. Looks like a guy. Never seen a girl dress up like that. I'll leave him sometimes, but you'll always be able to go back to him. It's just like an old friend, mate. Pick straight up where you left off. No hard feelings. Okay, you're talking about Johnny. You off your head or what? No, I'm just high on paint fumes, mate. Yeah, you can see those dents on that fender there. The panel guy said that the the panel guy said that the badge covers it. So I'll take his word for it. I wanted to get it in and get it painted today. If it doesn't, they can get a PDR. You've got a PDR guy comes in and pops dents like that out. Any sleep, mate, easy, that's nothing. And to fix it would have stopped me from getting it painted today, so that's off just getting it smashed out. Yeah, well, as he said, he reckons the badge covers it anyway. So, out of my hands. Looks like I'm going to have a fairly efficient mix soon. Haven't completely over-mixed or anything. The other guy is in there next door anyway, so he'll use what I don't use. But I reckon I'll have less than 100 mils. And the job this size isn't too bad. So yeah, 750 is what I mixed up. My calculations are 130 mils per panel, or thereabout, and 300 for the door, and 100 for that little door cover. How cool is that? I'm real happy with that. Loving this standoff plate, so much better than what we were using, like Duke Zone and Challenger and all those cheaper ones. I love it. Have a look at that, mate! Who needs a starter jet, mate? And it is pretty clean. There's a few nips in it. You're always going to get a couple. It's part of painting, but that's all in all, that's a very neat job. Honestly, I'm not going to lie, it's better than most of my jobs. Sometimes you just get them glassies. Loves it. Just admire that killer paintwork. That standoff, standing clear. Straight out of the Pro Light, baby. Few nips, but nothing major. I'm going to leave that for half an hour before I hit bake, because we've been getting some stuff dropping from the roof lately. Even that door, that's killer. Look at that, it's like a mirror, mate. Yeah, goodbye, see you in the next one. Alright, get out there and paint some shit. Coming out.
#1 online lender to small business. Prosper. Visit prospa.com. Terms, conditions and lending criteria apply. Credit license 45472.
See you on Monday, John. Have a good weekend.